Well, you know, I'm not going to pretend that this is the best, you know, video on this subject where I'm going to discuss, you know, protein structure. We're just going to do the alpha helix and beta pleated sheets. Of course, I have a degree in molecular biology and biochemistry, you know, and you know, we'll go over this real quick. This is the basic stuff you'll learn, you know, in your first few weeks or maybe first month of biochemistry. And of course, most colleges you already have to have organic chemistry before you take this. So hopefully you've already have had organic chemistry. If you're just watching this video because you want to learn a little bit about proteins and alpha helix beta sheets, that's fine too. You'll understand what I'm talking about. Alpha helix is stabilized by hydrogen bonds between the NH and CO groups of the main chain. And hopefully, I realize you can't really read my handwriting very well, but hopefully you know the NH and CO and all that stuff is. Okay. CO groups of each amino acid is bonded to the NH groups situated 4 residues ahead in a linear sequence. All main chain CO and NH groups are hydrogen bonded. Of course, feel free to, you know, go back and forth through the video if you can't catch what I'm saying, or you know, you can't. You know. Each residue is related to the next one by a rise of 1.5 angstroms along the main chain. Along the alpha helix, and a rotation of 100 degrees, which gives you 3.6 amino acid residues per turn of alpha helix. Here we go with the beta pleated sheets. Are stabilized by hydrogen bonding between beta strands. A polypeptide chain in a beta pleated sheet, called a beta strand, is at least almost always fully extended. Not always, but almost always. The actual distance between adjacent amino acids is 3.5 angstroms instead of 1.5 angstroms for the alpha helix. Beta pleated sheet is stabilized by hydrogen bond between NH and CO groups in different polypeptide strands. Notice the different polypeptide strands. I'm sure if you watch, you know, you go back again, you read all this, it's different, you know, how they're bonded. Please review this, review your biochemistry textbook. I highly recommend it. This, of course, is the biochemistry textbook I had. You know, it's by Lubert Stryer, Biochemistry. It's the 4th edition. This is the one I took in graduate level biochemistry textbook, Biochemistry with Clinical Correlations by Thomas M. Devlin. This is a whole lot more intense than that, as you would be able to figure out, obviously. And both of these are very good books. In my opinion, they are very good. This is another one, Principles of Biochemistry, 2nd edition. I got this at UF by Leonard, Nelson, and Cox. And of course, I got another one, which is like, what is it called? It's one of those like dummy books, dummy biochemistry for dummies. You know, don't feel bad. Get those type of books. You know, biochemistry for dummies and stuff like that. Obviously, you're not a dummy, but you know, it'll help you. You know, learn this stuff. You want to get the best grade possible. All right, thanks. Bye, and good luck in your classes. And check out the Khan Academy, Bozeman Science. You know. It's okay to be smart, and for several other channels. Bye.